Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by routing the channel to a single mixer insert and loading a parametric EQ. You want a clean signal path, so turn off extra sends and effects. Once inserted, solo the part and load a reference track at about -6 dB RMS to compare tonal balance. Now, sweep a bell band with a medium Q to find problem frequencies. This reveals harshness or muddiness. Keep gain staging correct. Make sure the insert isn't clipping, so every EQ move reflects true tonal change. Now you do the detailed work. Sweep with a narrow Q to locate resonant peaks and attenuate them by 3 to 6 dB. This cleans space quickly. Once done, engage a high-pass filter and set it between 20 and 120 Hz depending on instrument roll, which removes rumble without thinning the part. For tonal shaping, use wide, gentle boosts to add presence, make subtle moves and frequently bypass to check context. Finally, automate or use mid/side modes if the stereo image needs targeted EQ adjustments. Finish by matching perceived loudness so your EQ changes aren't just volume tricks. Use clip gain or a gentle limiter if needed. Then check the track in mono and on several playback systems, headphones, monitors, and small speakers to ensure the EQ translates. If you hear phase blur or loss of punch, switch to linear phase mode or adjust neighboring tracks' EQ to avoid overlapping cuts. One key troubleshooting tip: if things sound worse, revert to the previous EQ snapshot and make smaller, more targeted moves.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.